having a great time. Mark insists on doing even more driving. He's certainly learning a lot of routes and what the countryside looks like everywhere. We're going to be heading south again tomorrow, but we decided to stop by a Rural King and see what they had. And oh, they had all these beautiful little birdies. Would have loved to take some home, but I'm sure they would not let me take them across the border, nor would do I have any place to keep them once I got them home. So I just had to enjoy looking at them for today. Perhaps someday that may change. So enjoying all of this. We are eating well, we're having a good time, and as I said, Mark insists on doing a lot of driving and just getting a good idea of what the countryside looks like. And we did visit the Ark last time we were here, so we won't be doing that again. Hopefully, there'll be other sites that we'll be able to see. Enjoying the warm weather, it's not disturbing me at all. What I do find difficult is going from the warm weather to extreme air conditioned places. Going in and out of that environment I found a little difficult for my sinuses to adjust to. So I'm being very cautious now walking into a place that has extreme air conditioning, and I feel the difference. That's something I'm not accustomed to. We do have that in Canada, but you don't have the extreme heat and the extreme air conditioning very often. So that is a bit of a difference. And I also spotted these skid loads of ball mason jars, and a Royal King appears to claim to have the lowest prices, that nobody beats their prices, and I'm going to have to believe them. At $13.99 for wide mouth quart jars, that's an awesome price. Even in Canada, if you factor in the exchange rate, it's still much cheaper. So enjoy it while you've got them. The only thing I found is that your canning lids, you have to find another source for them at $4.99. Yeah, the lid replacements are the same price as in Canada. So whether they're wide mouth or regular. As a matter of fact, we charge more for wide mouth, so I'm thankful for Dollarama. And still lots of seeds available. Awesome, awesome. And we just got back for the evening, and I have heard that Trump was indicted today. It's a interesting time, interesting time. It's certainly big changes happening, and we'll see where that one leads. Stock up, folks. Food supplies may get a little scarcer than